Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe video, and today's not quiet baking. It's rather made on stove top, so it's like cooking but it's sweet, so it's almost like baked goods. This is another kue pukis. The other day I shared a video of making kue pukis, cake bites from Indonesia, while the other day was double vanilla flavor. For today's flavor, it is pandan, which is fragrant screwpine leaf. You can find this screwpine leaf at any Asian stores or some Asian stores in Chinatown mostly. If you cannot find the real leaves, you can buy the paste or the flavoring. If you have Filipino store, they will carry the clear white flavoring, and you will need these leaves. They produce green fragrant water or coloring, but at the Filipino store usually they sell the clear flavoring, so you would need green food coloring. But the one I'm using, oh my god, look at me, I can't talk today. The one I'm using today is pandan paste, so it's green already, and it gives very nice and vibrant color to your cake, and also a distinctive flavor of, it's not really overwhelming, but it's a nice flavor of pandan, which is the screw pine leaf. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. What I have here is 200 milliliter thick coconut milk. This is like almost coconut cream, but this is coconut milk, just super thick. We're gonna heat it in microwave to lukewarm. And into the lukewarm coconut milk, we're gonna soften 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. So you just want to make sure that the yeast are soft or wet, so that they soften up. And what I have here is 250 grams of strong baker's flour with 150 grams of sugar. So that's about 1 3/4 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of fine sea salt, and a pinch of baking powder. We just want to mix it. You may hear my youngest yelling in the background or screaming. They are having fun online while it's weekend. So just mix it as so, and then we're gonna crack 2 eggs. And also 6 teaspoons of sunflower oil, that's about 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna drop in about 1 teaspoon of pandan paste. If you don't have pandan paste, you can use pandan flavoring with green food coloring. So just mix it like so. Now, as you can see here, our yeast already softening, so we're gonna pour in the yeast, and you just want to mix it until completely combined. Once it's combined, you will produce thick batter. It's almost like a dough, but very wet dough, so it's more to like a thick batter. And we're gonna rest it for 15 minutes, covered with your cling wrap. Once your batter rested for 15 minutes, add in 1/3 cup of skim milk powder and just mix it, and preheat your baking pan. Preheat your baking pan on low medium heat, and then brush with sunflower oil, and then we're gonna pour the thick batter onto the pan. Just spread the batter like so, and then you can top it with whatever you wish, or you don't even have to top it. But I have colorful rainbow nonpareil here, 101,000, so I'm gonna use this. And then we're gonna cover it with the lid, and we're gonna cook it about 5 to 8 minutes on low to medium heat. There we go, it's ready.